Hello, today I'll be showing you how to fix disk write error on Steam. So the first thing you can try is just close Steam and open up Task Manager and make sure that Steam is not running anywhere here. The second thing you can do is run Steam as an administrator. So you can just search on Steam, then click Open File Location. Since I have a shortcut, I need to click Open File Location again. Then right click on Steam, select Properties, Compatibility, and click Run this program as an administrator and click on Apply. If that didn't work, you can also try the compatibility mode and switch to any option here. Now if that didn't work, you can also go to the Steam settings, open Downloads and click on Steam Library Folders. Then click here on Repair folder. Thank you for watching, subscribe and leave a like.